going to understanding the important concept that is very important for our physics only. So that we are going to see that scalars and vectors. Scalars and vectors. New chapter. First chapter is completed totally. So today we are going to understanding the one new concept. So that is scalars and vectors. So this is we are going to see in the first of all we are going to see that units and dimensions. Units and dimensions nalli physical quantity anta ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. What is a physical quantity means the quantity which can be measurable. Physical quantity andre ಏನ್ರಿ which can be measurable. Okay, so physical quantity, so in units and dimension nalli, yes, so there we can see that physical quantity means physical quantity which can be measurable. Physical quantity which can be measurable, we can see that. Okay, so the quantity which can be measurable, so in two way we can see that. One, we are going to see that fundamental quantity, and another one we are going to see that derived quantity. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಒಂದು ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So one we can see that fundamental quantity, and another one we are going to see that derived quantity. Okay, the further things we can understand in the units and dimensions. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನದ fundamental quantity means what, derived quantity means what, so that we can understand in the units and dimensions. Now we are going to see that in scalars and vectors, this physical quantity can be what divided into two way. One we are going to call the scalar quantity, and another one we are going to call the vector quantity. So ಒಂದು ಏನದ ರೀ ಇದು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಮೆಜರೇಬಲ್. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಏನದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಜರೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ and derived quantity. Okay, so here we can see that how to measure the quantities means, so fundamental quantity like mass, length, time, okay, and this one luminous intensity, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, these are the physical quantities. These physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, the derived quantity like ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅದ. ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಅದು ಎದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ, ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ classified in two way. One we are going to call the fundamental quantity, and another one we are going to call the derived quantity. So now this physical quantity also classified in two way. So one we are going to call this physical quantity, we are also classified in two way. So one we are going to call the scalar quantity, and another one we are going to call the vector quantity. Okay, so physical quantity. So why we are going to again classify this physical quantity means based upon the magnitude and direction. Based upon the what? Magnitude and direction. In our physics, it is very important that direction is also. Some quantities are there that will be called vector quantities which have both magnitude and direction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಲೆಂಗ್ತ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್. ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನದ ರೀ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅದ, 2 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅದ, 3 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ 1 ಮೀಟರ್, 2 ಮೀಟರ್, 3 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್. ಇವಕ್ಕೇನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಲೆಂತ್ಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಓಕೆ, so now temperature if you are taken, temperature means we can see that 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, okay, 3 degrees Celsius, like that. Okay, so numerical values. Okay, so that we are going to call the magnitudes. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? magnitudes ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. So here this is what we can see that the numerical value, this is unit. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? unit. So this is what we are going to call the unit. If I assign meter means it will become the length. If I assign the water degree Celsius means it depends, it's water temperature. ಇದು ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದೇ ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 2 way. One we are going to call the numerical and another one it is the unit. If I put the unit, then we can say that it's a meter. If it is there, then it can say that length. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಅದೇನೋ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಮಾಸ್. ಮಾಸ್ ತಗೋರಿ, ಮಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 4 kg. ದ kg ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. kg ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮಾಸ್. kg is the what? Unit of mass. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 it is the what? Numerical values. That we are going to see that numerical values. The totally we are going to see that this is the what? So ಇದು ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದು 2 ಟೈಪ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಒಂದು ಅದರದ್ದು ಏನದ ಇದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್, ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. So this way we are going to see understanding. So that we are going to call the magnitudes. That we are going to call the what? Magnitudes. So now here in vector what happens, you know, so it's of both magnitude and direction. If I said 1 meter means it's okay, it's a what? Only magnitude. If I said that the body is travel from east to west, so if I add the direction, the body is travel from east to west, so 1 meter. Okay, the body it is traveling the 1 meter distance from east to west. ಈಗೇನದ ನಾ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಕತ್ತೀನ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಈಸ್ಟಿಂದ ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಲಕತ್ತ? ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ 1 meter. 1 meter ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಇದು 1 meter ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಕತ್ತದ ಈಸ್ಟಿಂದ ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್ 1 meter, so what will be, what we can see that direction is going to be changes, west to east. Here this is the what? Magnitude is same. What we are going to observing here? Direction. The direction of the body is going to be changing. So first it is east to west, second one is west to east. It means that the direction of the body is going to be changes. If both direction and magnitude, both direction and magnitude if it is there, then that quantity we are to call the vector quantity. That quantities we are going to call the vector quantity. Following no? ತಿಳಿಲಕತ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಪ್ಪಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಡಿ ಅದ, ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಕತ್ತದ? ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಂಟದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಈ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಎರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಲಕತ್ತದ? ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ. ಈಗ ಅದೇನೇನ ಈಗ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೊಂಟದ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಿದೋ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೊಂಟೀನಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಹೊಂಟಿದಿ, ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿ, ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವಾಟ್? ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ it will be what? A direction is there. Direction. So means you are coming means you are going to the college. That is the direction is there. So when you are leaving the college, the direction is changed. Got or no? Okay, so that it play the what? Direction. It play the what? A direction. Followed the? So here we are not at all mentioning the direction. We are only saying the what? A numerical values. Magnitude we are saying. Okay, magnitude we are saying. Here the both the things are there. Magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. Both the things it will be having. So then this physical quantity it will be classified in two ways. One we are going to call the scalar quantity and another one we are going to call the vector quantity. So then how to define? Okay, scalar quantity means what? Vector quantity means how to define here? First of all, scalar quantity is a physical quantity. Scalar quantity is a physical quantity which have only magnitude but no direction. Okay, it have only magnitude. So it's have what? It have only magnitude. Only magnitude but no direction. But no direction. Okay, so its only magnitude is there. There is no direction. So that type of physical quantities are called scalar quantity. Some quantities are there. So we are never going to defining that direction. For example, if I say that today the temperature, the room temperature is 24 degrees Celsius. How I am going to say that the total this room, we are not going to say that this corner is 24 degrees Celsius, that corner is 22 degrees Celsius. We are saying like that. We are not at all assigning the direction. We are not at all assigning the direction. Direction anna assign marta illa. We are not at all assigning the direction. So then that we are going to call the scalar quantity. Now time we are saying that. Time, what's the time now? 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. We are saying that this corner east is 8 o'clock, west is 12 o'clock. We are saying like that. Commonly what we are saying that, hey, what's the time now? So 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock we are saying like that. What's the time now? So 8:30, 9:30, whatever the time is there no. So we are never going to say that direction. Direction is not there. Direction is not there. So then that physical quantities are called scalar quantities. That physical quantity is what we are going to call no scalar quantities. So scalar quantity it have only magnitude but no direction. Now examples what we can see that. Example, mass. Okay, mass, time. Okay, so time followed time, temperature. Okay, so electric flux, magnetic flux, work. Okay, so work, energy. So many are there. So like that and so on we can see that. So many are there. Okay, so mass, time, temperature, electric flux, magnetic flux, work, energy and so on. So this is what we are going to call scalar quantities. These are the example. It have only magnitude but no direction. Illi ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ್ದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. So now see, work is called scalar quantity, but here the work is also having the what? Direction and magnitude. Direction oda, magnitude oda. Work has to be done. Work done by the body. Work done on the body ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Work done by the body. Work done on the body. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಗ ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ one example, this is the one book is there. Okay, this is the one book. So if I apply the force on this one, so work done is equal to 0. We are saying that work done enalagatta 0 ada. If it is moving along with the direction and displacement, both are in the same direction, force and displacement both are in the same direction, then it is work is positive. We are saying that. If I say that force and displacement both are in opposite direction, okay, so then work is negative, work is positive, 0 and negative. So it have the what direction also and magnitude, but even though we are not going to say it's a scalar, even though we are not going to say it's a vector quantity, idukka vector quantity ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಒಬೇ ದ ವಾಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಅನ್ನು ಒಬೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀನೋ ಇದು ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಸರ್? Okay, some quantities have both magnitude and direction. Some quantities have what? Both magnitude and direction, even though we are not going to say it's a vector quantity because of the what? It does not obey the what? Vector algebra. It does not obeying the rules of vector algebra. Vector algebra do rules obey ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕರೀಲಿಕತ್ತೀನೋ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, so that quantities we are going to call the scalar, but it obeying the what? Scalar algebra. So it is obeying, so because of that quantity is called scalar quantity anta karitino. Now coming towards this vector quantity it have both magnitude and direction. Okay, so vector quantity, so its quantity have both magnitude and direction. So it is a, first of all we can see that vector quantity is a physical quantity. It's one physical quantity which have both magnitude and direction. So then that quantities are called vector quantity. Anta quantities ಏನು ಕರಿತೀನೋ vector quantity. For example, displacement means what? We can see that so it is a shortest distance between what? Initial position to the final position. Here initial to final, that indicates what? Direction. Starting point से end point, starting so end point तक तो डायरेक्शन होता ना, initial position to the final position. So here we are going to see that both magnitude and direction. So next, velocity means the time rate of change of displacement is already vector quantity, then velocity is also a vector quantity. So it's have both magnitude and direction. Next, acceleration, the time rate of change of what? Velocity, isn't it? So if the direction, if it is the velocity is increasing, then we are going to say it's a positive acceleration. Velocity increase agalakkatadri, positive acceleration. Velocity decrease agalakkatadu, negative acceleration. Okay, negative acceleration. If velocity is constant ittandre enanteno, acceleration is 0. There is no change in the velocity change agalakkateno illa. There is no change in the velocity is called acceleration is 0. Followed? If it is increasing velocity, then it is, we are going to see that ಏನಂತ positive. Decreasing velocity, then it is called negative. So then that is we are going to call the acceleration is also what? Acceleration is also a vector quantity. Follow the thing, sir? Vector quantity. And then force means anything which can be changeable, means it has the, so that type of quantities are called physical quantity ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. So vector quantity, so which have both magnitude and direction. So then this we are going to call the vector quantity ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. We are going to understanding the representation of vectors. Representation of representation of vectors. Representation of vectors means here we are going to see that how to represent the vector. So vector ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So represent ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, here I will take one example. This is the one straight line with having the what arrow head. Straight line which having the what arrow head ada. So straight line which is having the what arrow head. So this is what we are going to call the tail. ಇದದ್ದು ಏನದ ಟೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಟೇಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಏನದ ರೀ? ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. This is what we are going to call the head. Okay, so this is tail, this is the what head. So that tail, I'll initiate that O. O point indicates the what? Tail, and this is A point, it indicates the head. Okay, it indicates the head. So that O to A, it's one straight line. That straight line gives the what? Magnitude of the vector. Adhen kodtada OA. So that OA is the what? OA vector we can write down. This modulus we have put no. So that is we are going to call the magnitude of the vector and kritino. Magnitude of the vector. So this OA, it's writing OA bare bhal time togotada. I will assign one letter. So that letter P, we can see that P vector. Okay, P vector. P for Pukal and Tobodu. P for physics and Tobodu. P for problems and Tobodu. Okay, P vector. Sir, ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ P ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು. P ಏನಾರೇ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಲೆಟರನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, we can write down what P vector. So that is modulus of P vector that equal to OA vector that equal to what? Magnitude of vectors that indicates the what? Magnitude of the vector ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. This arrowhead gives the what? Direction. Arrowhead, it gives the what? Direction. So how to represent means we can represent it by this way. P vector. How we can write down the P vector? Arrow straight line, that is OA. Okay, O indicates the what? Tail. A indicates the head. So this we are going to represent by the P vectors. Okay, so we can put the one letter. So any one letter we can put it, that is P vector. So that we are going to call the vectors. Okay, so arrow mark indicating the direction. Arrow mark, it indicates the what? Direction. Arrow mark can indicate ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ direction ಅಂತ indicate ಮಾಡ್ತದ. So that is it indicates the what? Direction. So this we can write down the what? P vector. ಇದು ಏನದ ರೀ? P vector ಅದ. So P vector we can write down in terms of the what? Modulus. Modulus of P vector, it gives the what? Magnitude. Either we can write down modulus of P vector or P that gives the what? Magnitude. ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಇದು? Magnitude. Magnitude of the vector P. Magnitude of vector P. Follow the things, sir? Any doubt? You people have any doubt? Itandre care. Now some note we can see that scalars can added. Scalar ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು? Some note we can see that. Note ಅಂತ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಟ scalar it can be added. Okay, so it can be added. Add ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೋದು. Added. Subtract. Okay, added subtract ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, subtracting. Subtraction ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಳಿಬೋದು. Okay, added, subtracted, and it is also multiplied and dividenu ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Multipliedನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು dividenu ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. And divided, multiplied, divided. So but scalar it is over. Okay, now next vector. So vector, it can be what? Added, subtracted, multiplied, but it is not dividing. It is not dividing. Divide agalla. Divide. Okay, so it is not a divide. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾಕಂತಂದರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ನೂ ಅದ ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಅದ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ addition, subtraction and multiplication but no division. Division it is not happening. Division agodilla idralli. Okay, so now important types of what we are going to see that vectors antare some important types also we can see it. Okay, so write down this one, note ant barkori idu, write down note. Over. ಏನು हाँ हाँ ठीक है, एक मिनट, थोड़ा एडजस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, वो आगे पीछे हो रहा. एक हो गया. करेक्ट है. अब पोजीशन करेक्ट. ठीक है, चलो रब करूँ मैं.